Could this keyboard be the one that finally delivers a truly premium typing experience without breaking the bank? The Attack Shark X98 is making some bold claims, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the gate, the X98 impresses with its incredible versatility. This isn't just a gaming keyboard, it's a true tri-mode powerhouse. With Bluetooth 5, a snappy 4 GHz wireless connection, and a reliable USB-C wired option, you can seamlessly switch between your PC, tablet, PS5, or even Xbox. That kind of flexibility is genuinely fantastic for anyone with multiple devices. But let's talk about the typing experience, because that's where the X98 truly shines. It comes equipped with exclusive Blueberry linear switches, pre-lubed right out of the box. The description of creamy is spot on. They offer a delightful, smooth press that's quieter than your typical clicky switch, but still provides a satisfying tactile feedback, far more engaging than a basic membrane keyboard. And for those who love to tinker, the hot swappable sockets mean you can easily customize the feel with your favorite switches down the line. That's a huge win for enthusiasts. The build quality here is something you'd expect from much pricier boards. The gasket mount design, combined with a 5-layer foam setup, we're talking PORON, IXBE, PET, EPDM, and silicone pads, along with PCB single key slotting, creates an incredibly robust and silent typing platform. The result is that coveted, thocky sound profile that's so satisfying, yet surprisingly quiet enough for an office environment. It's a thoughtful design that really elevates the overall feel. Visually, the X98 doesn't hold back. The vibrant RGB backlighting offers 16.8 million colors, with 21 dynamic effects and 7 single-color options to transform your setup. Whether you're setting the mood for an intense gaming session or just adding some flair to your workspace, it looks fantastic. And for durability, the double-shot PBT keycaps are a smart choice. They resist shine and fading, ensuring your keyboard looks great for years to come, even with heavy use. For gamers, the full anti-ghosting N-key rollover is essential, guaranteeing every keystroke registers perfectly, no matter how fast or furious the action gets in FPS or MOBA titles. And powering all this is a massive 4000 mAh battery, promising an impressive 7 days of continuous use on a single charge. That's week-long freedom from cables, which is incredibly convenient. Overall, the Attack Shark X98 is a surprisingly feature-rich mechanical keyboard that punches well above its weight. It delivers a premium typing feel, robust build quality, stunning aesthetics, and excellent wireless performance, making it a compelling choice for almost any user.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.